Welcome back, guys. So right now let's talk about freelancing. So I want to talk about freelancing. Basically, one of the platforms you could freelance from is Upwork. Is one of the most common one. So you have to open an Upwork account, then you could learn how to do all this. So same Belad Tech.com that I showed you earlier on, you could learn about freelancing on this platform. You could learn about Upwork. So I could search Upwork right away, and you could actually learn about Upwork right now to see how to learn how to use Upwork. So here we are. So you have Upwork, freelancing on Upwork crash course. You could actually go through this, and it shows you the nitty-gritty behind Upwork. So you learn how to use Upwork to get clients. So you could actually search for animation services and see different services that is tied to video animation. So I'll just search for animation as the main. So you could see different profiles of 2D animation anime maker, and you could see this is highly demanded. This person has earned over $8,000 from creating animation. This is logo animation as well, which is something you could do since you could generate videos. All you have to do is to get a logo and create a logo animation with it. So you have 4K dolls here. This person made over 4K dolls. This person made over $9,000, $9,000, and this is over $10,000. So this is a video over 200, over $200,000, over $6,000, expertly the animation to the animation. So we have all these profiles, and you could actually be one of these people because you create AI animation. So let's type AI animation if there's a niche for that. So we have animation so far, but let's see AI animation. So creative AI video generator, AI animation artist, CGI, and see this right now. This person has not earned anything. Okay, this profile has not earned anything from what I'm seeing right now. Okay, so see this person right away. I didn't see, I don't know. These are AI video generators, but let's see. Okay, so this one that has earned this over 5K dollars, and AI video creator, AI video editing, agent, video 3, clean AI, Sora 2. So this person earned over 5K dollars, and yeah, so it goes on and on. This person earned over 100K dollars, and it goes on and on. This person earned over 10K dollars. So this is something you could try right away. You could try to use Upwork to try to get clients for these services. So that's how to go about this. There are other platforms as well. You could freelance from. You could freelance on LinkedIn. If you have to take a course on LinkedIn marketing or how to freelance, you come to Belad Tech Academy as well. So you could search for that on the website, or come to the Udemy profile. There are LinkedIn courses as well you could take on the Udemy profile as well. So you could check them out right now. So you have a lot of options to choose from. So you could actually go through freelancing, you could go through publishing your comic books, you could go through creating videos for yourself. And here we have the LinkedIn marketing for brands. You could actually check out this particular course and see how you could freelance on LinkedIn, how you could create LinkedIn pages for companies, and how to go about getting gigs through freelancing, through creating social media posts for companies and marketing. And that is how to go about this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.